Today we're going to take a look at the Breakaway top load push to test trailer breakaway kit. Now this breakaway system will activate your trailer's electric brakes if the trailer disconnects from the tow vehicle. And a breakaway system is required by law in most states for trailers that are equipped with electric brakes and have a gross towing weight capacity of at least 3,000 pounds. But besides being required, it'll also offer you the peace of mind that in an emergency situation where the trailer might come detached from your tow vehicle, this part will help stop the trailer and prevent an even more dangerous problem. This kit will include everything shown here on the table. It includes the battery box with the built-in 1-amp charger. The battery is on the inside. It's a 12-volt, 5-amp-hour battery, and it includes the breakaway switch. If you notice on the top lid of the battery box here, it has LED lights. There's 3 of them, and then there's a test button. They will clearly indicate the status of the battery on the inside when you press the test button. So you can see right now if I press it, it's showing the green button at the top, means it's fully charged. The light in the middle needs to be recharged, and the one on the bottom means it's charging. So when this is hooked up to power, it'll probably show that it's charging. They do have a 1-amp charger inside here that'll refuel the battery when it's plugged into a tow vehicle. We mentioned it does come with the included 12-volt, 5-amp-hour battery. The wire leads here for the wire connections, they are about 36 inches long. Now this is a top-loading case. You can see when it's installed like this, you have easy access from the top, and it just has 2 screws that you can remove and then pop open the top to access the battery. The breakaway switch right here, this is what will install on your trailer's frame. Now drilling is required. You can see the mounting bracket has a hole in it, so you do want to put a screw in there to hold that into place. But basically your breakaway switch, you install this onto your trailer, wire this to the trailer's brake system, and then this braided cable line will hook to your tow vehicle. And what happens in a breakaway situation, in case if your trailer detaches or unattaches from your tow vehicle, it will pull this wire, which would in turn pull the pin out of the breakaway switch, which would cause it to activate the brakes on the trailer and prevent a runaway situation. Now the wiring installation is right here on the lid of the battery box. It shows you both the breakaway switch and the battery box, how you wire it. Breakaway switch basically has 2 wires, a blue and a black. The blue wire connects to your blue wire on the battery box, and the black wire will connect to your trailer brake wire from the trailer connector to the brakes. Now on the battery box you'll have 3 wires coming out, a blue, a red, and a white. The blue wire, of course, we mentioned will connect to the blue wire on the breakaway switch. The red wire will go to the 12-volt hot lead from your trailer connector to your trailer, and the white wire will go to a good clean ground. Last thing I want to do for you is give you the measurements of this box, and we're going to turn it around to the back because this is the mounting brackets here. That's your widest point. So the widest point on this box is going to be right at 6.5 inches wide. Total depth from front to back is right at 4 3/4 inches deep, and the total height on this box is 4 7/8 inches tall. But that should do it for the review on the Breakaway top load push to test trailer breakaway kit.